Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about what $100 can get you in Colombia right now in 2022 between November and December and maybe even beyond. But it's not going to get you a house or an apartment, but it's going to get you something else. Let's go. Now it ain't going to buy you that beautiful view or this other beautiful view here in Envigado, but at least you could take a cab and see it for a little short while. But anyhow, let's get back to the real program. Well, it's not gonna get you this beautiful loft they're selling here. Nice little design lofts here in Envigado, as you can see. One living lofts and nice kitchen, nice other bedroom and whatever, and personal bathroom. But let's go next to the shopping center where we can get some stuff for $100. So they're just breaking ground and they're building up. So we're gonna go into the city plaza here, a mall in Envigado, and we're gonna see what $100 can get us. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and help Eddie go places. So the US dollar today, November 4th, is they're giving you 4,850 for a US dollar. So for $100 you get 485,000 pesos. So guys, we're here at this Parmesano restaurant, and for $30 for two people you can get like the most expensive plate here at Parmesano, which is pastas and everything, and some other combinations, and some seafood combined with that, and some beautiful desserts. You could get dinner for two with two beers if you want beer, and more, and two desserts, and even two coffees for $30. Basically $30. I mean, the beers for like $2 here according to the exchange rate nowadays, and you got Miller and whatever, and then you got the nice, maybe this kind of dinner you want, whatever, chicken, and then you got the nice desserts here, nice portion of dessert, nice piece for about $2. Looking, and it's a nice environment. Look at the environment here. It's a nice environment, this Parmesano restaurant. Something you can get here in Colombia. Now we are here at the movie theater complex, Cinépolis, and the big combo, the mega combo here, for 50,000 pesos, which is only about $10 right now. You get two big buckets of popcorn, two medium sodas, two hot dogs for $10. Can you beat that? And the entrance, the ticket to go into the movies here, into the movie theater, it's only about $2.50 per person. Nice salad here to combine all these salads. $100 goes a long way right now. So far I've tallied up $30 for dinner for two at Parmesano or whatever restaurant you choose, approximately that. That's $30. $14 or $15 for a monthly gym fee. That's $30 plus 15 is $45 already. Then I told you about going to the movies. That's $10 for the big mega combo. That's $45, that's $55, plus two tickets for just the general admission. That's about another $5, $6. That's already a good $60 right there. And then we got a barbershop here. These barbershops are more high-end, and you get a barbershop here and beard trimmed in one of these fancier places, as you can see, for a good, let's say, another $10. So you got $70 right there in all of that, with the gym included. One monthly fee for the gym. Still got $30 left over. Let's see what we can spend $30 more in one day. I'm definitely not gonna spend it on Muhammad Ali getting my head knocked in and out with the boxing stuff here, like they're doing. But all right. Now let's say you're a coffee lover. This one right here is for $10. Salento, beautiful town here in Colombia. Coffee made from Salento. That's $10 more, so now you got $20 left. Now let's say, even though I don't promote this, but you want to buy a 6-pack of Corona, 6-pack for 27,500 pesos. That's about $6, $7, $8. I don't know, something like that. And here in this Carulla, they got a lot of things if you're here and renting out an Airbnb, good cheese and all of that stuff. Actually, the 6-pack of beer was about $6. you still got a good $13 left. And right here, $10, not even $10, like $9. You could get a nice fondue set, so you make some fondue at home if you got some. And I mean, all of this gets you $100 gets you all of this. Well, it's getting dark now really quickly today, so basically, guys, $100 goes a long way. Let's say you're staying here for 5 or 6 months in Colombia on a tourist visa, and you can get into the Smart Fit gym as long as you show your passport. I think Body Tech does the same thing. And if you like working out and everything, and that's what you get with $100. You pay $15 for the monthly fee for 6 months. 6 months, every month, $15. You go dinner for 2 on one night, you pay $30, and that's, you know, really splurging in a place like this for some people, most people. And you pay, you know, $30 dinner for 2. You get 2 good meals, main courses. You get, I mean, without the entrees. I mean, if you get the entrees, or the appetizers, you know, it's going to be a little bit more than $30. So maybe you like that. So right there, even with the appetizers, it's going to go around $35. $35 with the appetizers, the dinner for 2, with glasses of wine each or beer. Come give or take a few dollars. I mean, can you beat that? Remember, I'm on Instagram as Traveling Eddie1, and I'm giving a shout out at this moment to YouTubers on YouTube that I know through YouTube, but not personally, except for Kev TV I know personally, and Fin Del Mundo I know personally, that we've met in person, and that's it. But everybody else I'm communicating with. And so Maz for all, what's up? The guys in India, Talmiz Vlogs, Talmiz, oh, I forgot it, but if you're watching this at some point, man, just all of you YouTubers, remember, I'm doing this now. Down in the comments section, just say, hey, I'm a YouTuber. This is my channel. Check me out. I'm giving you permission, even though I don't have to give you permission, because I believe in sharing. And you got other people, other witty travels, husband and wife duo traveling through Central America right now. You got other people, Charles the Filmer. You got Eddie on the go out there in Portugal. So many people I might not be able to remember right now. Ride with Frenchie. He's riding through Nepal right now on his motorbike. So many other guys, and I like his stuff. Check out Ride with Frenchie. Benjamin Jenks, American in India. Even the Wander Years, a couple that is in India traveling through there, and they are on the spiritual path, and they're also doing travel vlogs. So many people that I can't remember everybody to give a shout out to. M.U. Swensrud, everybody, Kev TV, like I said before, so many other people. And what's up to people like Humberto Contreras that follow me, Karina Garcia, Kimia Stewart. Kimia's got a channel on YouTube. Check her out too. Check out everybody, and please let people know. And Alkan, he's another travel vlogger in Pakistan. Pakistan in the house, India in the house, Nepal in the house, Colombia in the house, USA in the house. Thank you, Harry Jaggard, for creating the thing on school on that platform for world creators. Anyhow, this is the thing. I just wanted to give a shout out at the end here to all of you guys, and that's what $100 can get you here and more. You just got to come and explore yourself. It's good for you guys that are coming in with dollars. I get paid with pesos. I'm American, but I'm a teacher here. I get paid in pesos, not Colombian, not American dollars. So it's good for people coming here with dollars on vacation or coming to be here for a couple of months. But for us, it ain't a good thing with the dollar rising so much right now. It's going up, and they say the projections are that the dollar is going to hit 6,000 pesos per US dollar by the end of the year. That's a lot of inflation and devaluation for us, but I'm telling you guys, it's good for the youth. Catch you later. Remember to subscribe, it's free. Remember, I'm on Instagram, Traveling Eddie1. Give this a like, share. Sharing is caring. Later, guys. Daily vlogs, and I also have short reels every day, 15 seconds up to maybe a minute, but basically 15 seconds. Catch you later from Envigado, Colombia.